Hey everyone, today is 11th of May and we are live. Ronak, we are live.
Yeah,
So I welcome you all in the Layer 5 website meet, and we conduct this meet on every Monday at 5:30 p.m. IST. And this meeting agenda is we talk about the front end related issues. So if you are working on any of them, you can drop your PR in your respective sections. So we have different sections here like schemas, assistant, Mishri, layer5.io. So these all sections are divided on the basis of the wrappers. So you can drop your PR on the on the correct section where your PR is belonging. And so let's talking about Mishri. Mishri is the sixth highest velocity project in CNCF, and we are lots of code is moved from the sandbox to the incubations, and lot of codes are moving. So lots of opportunities for the contributors and front end contributor as well. So that's all about Mishri. And let's move forward with the housekeeping item. So you will find this doc link in your Zoom chat. So we always follow a housekeeping item that in every meeting. So you have to uh, write your name in the attendees section. So we will know that you were here. And yeah, and I encourage everyone to turn on your webcam so we have an interactive meeting and it doesn't feel me like I'm talking to the walls. So everyone, please turn on your webcams. Talking about me, I'm a host for today's meet. I am Bhumika Garg. I'm a GSOC intern here. I'm working in this community from past 6 months, and I'm a community manager here. So that is from my side. Today I joined with my co-host Ronak. Ronak, would you like to give your introduction?
sure. Thanks, Bhumika. So hey everyone, I'm Ronak and I'm also working with this inclusive community. I remember the first day when I joined and the journey I have made over here. So it's really a great and wonderful community in terms of everything. So yeah, I also recently graduated, so happy to be here.
Thanks, Ronak, for your introductions. Now let's move forward with the newcomers. So we would like to have listen the introductions to the newcomers. So we want to know from where you are and uh, from where you find this community. So we have any newcomer here in this meeting.
Hello,
Uh,
am
yes,
I audible?
yeah. Hi,
Yes.
Utkarsh.
Hello, everyone. My name is Utkarsh, and currently I'm in my third year. Just completed my third year, and yeah, I'm pursuing a Bachelor's of Technology in Computer Science. And I got to know about Meshri from a Twitter post from Yash Sharma. So I started exploring it. I have also joined the newcomers meeting back in January, but due to some college stuff, I was not able to contribute. But uh, I thought that I could contribute in the front end part of the project. So yeah, this was about me.
Nice, Utkarsh. Yeah, we will want to see you here more in the community. Um, That's nice of your introduction.
Mhm.
Mm,
Thanks.
Next, next we have Manya Gupta.
Hello,
Hi, Manya.
hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, hi, I'm Nanya Gupta and I'm currently in my third year of BTech. Completed my third year and I'll be in fourth year. And I recently started open source. Meshri is just my initial, like the two PRs I did was Meshri. Yesterday I started and I'm looking forward to contribute more into this. So if you have any suggestions for me, like how will I be able to contribute more and learn more about Ashri, I'll be glad.
So, yeah, it's a good if you came yesterday and created two PR already. That's a very good thing. My suggestion will be like, mm, try to visible in this community, try to communicate more in this community, and yeah, you will have a good success if you are good in the communication parts, and if you are if we can see your PRs, if we can see your efforts, your growth will be definitely here. So that is from my side. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Next we have Apurv Singh.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, so hi guys. I'm a pre-final year undergrad engineering student, and I'm fairly new to open source, but I've had my PR merged in Systent, and this would be the first time I opened a PR in Meshri and Layer 5. So yeah, I'm excited to contribute to these organizations, and I got to know about it from LFX uh, Foundation site, and I'm mainly interested in ML side of things. I like thinking from scratch, from first principles, and I've built several architectures from scratch. So yeah, I'm happy to be here and contribute to the organization.
It's wonderful to have you here. And yeah, thank you, Apu, for your introduction.
Yeah, good.
Next, we have Yash Singh. Yash, are you there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi, Yash.
Hi. So I did contribute to this community last year when I like didn't have a job or internship. So after that, after contributing to some PRs, then I got one internship. So I was doing it. Then I didn't accept the full-time offer there. So I'm just back at home and looking forward to contribute to this community. So that's all. I'm from Triple IT Una. I'm about to get graduated in this month.
Oh, that's good. We are all, I'm also from Pune only. That's nice.
Yeah.
Mm,
No, it's not. It's not like Pune. It's UNA, Himachal Pradesh, Pune.
Okay. Okay, that's mine. Okay. Next, we have Mayur. I can see a, good number of
Can you
you.
hear me?
Yeah. Hi, Mayur.
So actually, I'm outside right now, but I would like to introduce myself. I'm Mayur Dhumal, and I'm 2025 2025 batch pass out, and I just recently started contributing in open source, and I just fixed some documentations in Meshri, and I'm looking forward to make more contributions. I'm also based in Pune. Thank you.
Thanks, Mayur. Um, that's a nice of it. Nice of you. Yeah. I can see a lots of people newcomers here. So for the newcomers, you have a link in your Zoom chat. Drop your name in your attendees section so we will know that you were here. And let's if we have another newcomer want to give your introduction, can give your introduction in a Zoom chat. Let's move forward with the today's meeting. And today we have a first NST Krishna, or it's a Krishna. Do we have Krishna in the meeting? I guess no, we can.
I think, Bhumika, we don't have Rajesh or Saurav on the call today, so we can just circle back to assistant items in the end if that's, I think Rajesh would be joining in a couple
Oh,
of minutes. So,
okay. Let's start with Bhavya Sharma. Bhavyam Sharma. Okay. Do we have Bhavyam? I think no. Uh, Utkarsh.
Yes, yes, I'm here.
Okay.
So like I opened two PRs in Meshery website repository, and it was related to that one was on the GSUB page, and another one was about navigation.
So you can share your screen and please present your PR.
Yeah, just a minute. This one was the navigation one. So in this, I opened like I created a component in which we can navigate to a particular term within the page or the timeline. So this one was approved by Kusham Bansal. It's like I just saw this comment, this one. So do I have to work on
yeah.
this?
Yeah, Kush, I think the one that you have put the table of contents, have you seen the mystery docs, or it has a right sidebar? So if you can open up a preview of this PR, that would really help for me to explain it much better.
Yeah, just a minute. In this one, was an LFX page, I think.
Yeah, it's in the uh,
Yeah, this one.
yeah, so my first concern is whenever we just scroll past through this page, for example, if you can scroll, so this on this page table of content, so this just disappears and this is not
Yeah,
sticky as well. So it's hard when we are at the bottom of the page and we want to navigate to a different section. So this should be first point, it should be, I think, sticky. And the position of this thing could go on the top right hand side or something. If you have seen the Meshri docs, it has a similar behavior where we have
like on
a
the docs tab you're
search.
talking about.
No, it's a completely different documentation
Okay, yeah,
site
the
for
mesh.
Meshri docs. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
got it.
search for docs.meshri.io.
Yeah, mesh docs. This one.
Yeah, and navigate to any of the pages.
Let's say this one.
Yeah.
Also, we
And
want
if, for example, if you
this type
click
of
to architecture,
sidebar type of thing.
so there are two sidebars over here. I'm talking
Okay,
about the
this
right
type of,
one. Yeah. And there seems to have some issue with this as well. It's not showing the proper, uh, it's not navigating the search input now. But yeah, if you can, uh, yeah, something like this that you can see in the right sidebar.
yeah, this kind of
To
design.
yeah, yeah. So this intra page nav really helps, and it's sticky as well, irrespective of the scroll behavior.
Yeah, I will work on it. Like I will, instead of that top component, I will create this type of design in here,
Yeah,
like here somewhere.
yeah, that would be really helpful.
Okay, then I will push another commit regarding that soon.
Mhm. Yeah.
Another one was this one, I think, on GSOC page. So this one I had to add the GSOC page, the official GSOC website link to this, to all these cards. This is also approved, I think. Yeah, this is also approved.
Could you also mind showing us the preview of the PR?
Yeah, yeah. So if we select the 2026 one, then on clicking the link, we will go to Meshri's page on GSOC website.
Mhm.
Same for all other years, but not 2023 because I think I didn't find any relevant link to 2023.
Yeah,
That's
I
why I
think it.
didn't put any link around it.
Yeah, I think yeah, this could be also one of the behavior that can be added in the LFX page. But yeah, it looks good, I think.
Yeah, so do you want me to create a separate issue for it, like for the LFX page, or like you will create one
You
issue
can
regarding
create any of the issues and then just pull up the PR. And talking about the comment from Rishiraj, so there's a separate Meshi also participates in CNCF GSOC, so that's why there's a link for that. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, so I think that's all from that's all from my side regarding Meshri.io. I've won another PR in Meshri repo, but I think that you will discuss later in the meeting.
Yeah, we will circle back to the debt issue at that time only when we are discussing that section. So, anything else, Utkarsh, do you have?
Yeah, just this. I wanted to ask, like, will it get merged just now, or like this one is ready to merge? So
We will approve it, and maintainer will be like merge it on his like whenever he is free. So like we will approve after this week for sure.
yeah, sure. Thank you.
Um, Thanks, Utkarsh. Thanks, Ronak. Utkarsh, please add your full name here. Remove this.
Yeah,
And
just a second.
next is Manya. Manya, are you here in the meeting? I think we can circle it back to her. Next, we have Apur, I guess. It's Apur.
Yeah. So, quick question: can I talk about both my PRs in this?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. So the first one is for layer 5. Wait a minute. Let me screen share. Uh, my screen should be visible. It is.
Yes.
Okay. So first one, my PR was for the UI fix in the layer 5 privacy policy page. So the terms of content for medium screens overlapped with the main content of the page. And so there was a basic fix, which was the terms of constant was like stayed as a sticky sidebar, but the main content of the table was remain centered with I think with somewhere around 900 or something. So what happened was that at medium bits, the content did not resolve like didn't resolve horizontal space for the sidebar. So both occupied the same area, and therefore we had that overlap. I played around with the file a bit. Eventually find out that there was terms.style.js which had all the content CSS, and I went into there and I just added a medium screen media query, uh, which kind of kept the original sidebar layout, but constrained the content area so it leaves room
Yeah,
for
Purva, I think it would be good if you can show us the before and after changes. Okay.
uh, wait a minute. But you could see my screen, right? I like the only lines I had
Yeah,
it
we
was
can.
these.
Yes, we can see that, but for the other, like we want to have a full context, so we want to see like what was a before thing and what you changed and what was a like after thing, like.
Yeah, so these were the only lines which I added. This did not existed before my comment.
No, I
So
mean, there's a preview of it. So the current change and the after effect of what you have changed. So that needs to be shown.
Could you guide me where is it?
how you find this issue? Like you just go like search the layer 5 IO website.
I locally set up the code base. I uh, explored the files, found out that there was I mean, it was evident from the URL that there was company legal and then there was privacy page. Uh, I looked around and find out that there was a TOC that like terms of sorry, the table of content layout.
I've
Uh,
shared the preview in the
No,
comment.
we
You
are
could
saying
open that.
uh like go into like how you find this issue, like you were searching something on the website or
okay, okay.
that
I was active
you
on the
wanted.
Slack. Yeah, I was active on Slack and I got this notification that there was a PR open, and I found like I felt like this was an easy fix, so that's what I did.
Go into back to the conversation, like uh,
Uh, can,
there is a like preview link.
oh, okay, okay. You want okay, sorry.
Yeah, open this.
So if we go into company legal, privacy. Yeah. So if you could see my screen, then this is currently in the large uh, breakpoint. But if we convert into medium, this still works fine because of the fix I added, the comet.
Mhm.
Uh, Before it was if I could show the original, let me. Yeah, can you see the screen? It's overlapped in the original site.
Yeah.
Yeah, so in my fix, this works fine.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is looking good. This was we are we were asking, and
Okay.
yeah, we will
Yeah,
approve this.
yeah. Sorry for the confusion, but yeah, I this took me a while, but yeah, I figured it out eventually. Uh, okay, so can I move to my next PR?
Yeah.
Okay, so my second PR was for the Mystery docs. Uh, this said that there wasn't a proper disclaimer or notice which said that out of cluster Mystery server UI cannot access certain Kubernetes clusters. It wasn't mentioned in the docs. So this was a fairly easy fix. I just searched simple Google search about exactly only. I read the docs, and if you see, I just added this alert, which clearly mentioned that if you're running the mystery server out of call cluster, then this is what you have to do. So yeah, this was felt easy.
Yeah, that's also look good to me. Yeah. Ronak, do you have any thoughts?
So
Is there already any open issue for this missing alert?
yeah, this there was an issue, so I volunteered to fix this. So yeah, I got the PR. I was assigned
Okay.
this issue. So do you have any
Yeah.
questions?
So I think I will have a look after this call.
Cool. So no questions, I guess.
Yeah.
So cool. Yeah, that was from my side.
Okay. Um, Thanks, Apur. Thanks, Ronak. Thanks, Rishi. Uh, mm, Apur, please add your full name. Remove this.
Yeah. Okay. I'll do that.
Okay. Next, we have Bharat.
Hi everyone, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, so this is a pretty simple issue. So in the layer 5 websites reports, in the layer 5 code, we wanted to replace React loadable with at loadable slash component. So I just made that change here. Like the new slash loadable, sorry, loadable slash component was already in the package.json, and I just replaced it in one specific area, which is calendar.js, the calendar component, and I removed React loadable completely from package.json. So this here has already been reviewed by Rishi and Rajesh, and I'm just waiting for this thing to be approved. Oh, looks like Ronak also approved these. Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I hope it covers all the instances of this and all of them are replaced. Yeah.
Yeah, so I searched the code base, and this was the only component where I could find usage of React loadable.
All right. Looks good to me.
Yep. So I even removed it from package.json, so it wouldn't even run if it was present anywhere else. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Cool then.
Hmm. it is approved, then it will merge soon this PR. We will like merge this PR soon. So thanks, Bharat. Thanks, Ronak and Rajesh. And let's move forward with next agenda for the today's meet. Mm, Kusham,
Hi everyone, let me share my screen first. So the fix was about, so if we see the website right now and I turn off the animations from here. Let me turn off the animations first. If we turn off the animations and then go to the website, Canvas website, so some things are broken, like the integrations are shown to be 0, contributions and downloads. And also here, the flash that was showing the workflow is also missing. And also the logo is missing in this section. So I fixed this, and now it is like these are static when the animations are off. And also the this flash is back, and the logo is also static in the screen section.
if we are stopping the animation, then we should stop the animation at the transform workflow section also, no?
Yeah, but then the whole purpose of that section will be removed. Like if we remove uh, this flash, then uh, the what we want to convey will be missing. So I guess I think that should be there. If we want, then I can remove that.
And show the team workspace animation. Okay, that is stop. And what about that?
No, that is there.
That is also working.
Yeah.
So, like, uh, why we are
So
like, if user um, stop the animation, then it will not honor the user that for the animation thing, no?
yeah. So let me show you with the animations first. If we turn on the animations and then refresh the section. So here we have the logo animation first. If we turn off the animation, the logo animation disappears, and also the count. This counter section also has animations like this. So all these animations are turned off when the animations are disabled from the OS settings. And yeah, this logo animations is completely removed.
Okay. So I think you should stop the team workspace animation also, that arrow animation.
The cursor animation, you mean?
Yeah.
These moving cursors.
Yeah, stop that also.
All right.
Um, then everything is like, okay, that's look good to me. Just stop that cursor animation also. It's like, yeah, it's good.
Okay, Ronak, do you have any thoughts on this?
Yeah, I think when the user disables the animation, so it respects that when you are uh, the main animation that is overpowering is the canvas one. So these minimal animations would not have much effect. So yeah, I think the
So
above,
should
yeah, the workflow animation that could still remain, but you can just disable it
Uh,
as well.
okay, so do I need to disable, like Bhumika mentioned, this cursor animations also, or not?
Yeah, you could do that. Not touching the above one. That
Okay.
is what
Yeah,
was the above section
Daniel
before that.
also having the same point. If we like user decide to stop the animation, we should respect that. So I was
Yeah,
like
yeah.
bit confused. Like I think we should stop the GitOps integration and that time the deployment playback animations also.
But then the whole purpose of us having this animations and showing what we want to convey will be gone. Like the workflow, if it is all static. I mean,
Yeah, I think there's a line between so why is user disabling the animation because of having so many animations in the landing page. So that minimal animation would not have much effect, I think.
all right. So I'll remove the cursor animations and then uh, we'll circle.
Yeah. Thank
Thanks. That's all from my side.
Thanks, Pusham. Thanks, Ronak. Let's move forward with the next agenda. Um, Soria, are you on the call? Okay, he's not. Blue Star 404. Next, we have Apur. I think it is discussed. So next we have Ragul Balaji.
Sure, just a second, I share my screen. So this is the issue, as Bhumika got said in the previous meeting, as the search bar gives inaccurate results when searching. For example, as the user gives ABCD, it leads to the results like something which does not require to that intent. So I have fixed that. For example, I give here Rahul means it will leads to no query found like this. It only leads to give for the actual query. Any thoughts about this?
Search your name and press enter. What like it will show no
It will
result or
show
something
no
different
result
page.
found in the query.
Enter it.
Yeah, I have entered that.
Okay. Yeah, it's look good to me.
Yeah, it will working fine. And also have find some of the bugs and improvements needed for this document. For example, can I share this here or
Yeah, you can.
yeah, sure. And for here in the navigation panel, is this intended or not? For example, if we click the resources button in the main page, it's working in a single click. But if we navigate through some other pages and if we click the resources, after the second click, it's working. It is intentional or it's a kind of bug, I think.
Yeah, it's a bug.
Yeah.
Please open
Okay.
issue.
Okay, sure. And also inside videos, I think. And here, both of them leads to the same thing, like canvas design overviews. Actually, the first one is representing the design overview, and second one representing the visualizer walk. So we need to change this or
There's also a missing bullet point underneath the related
yeah,
doc section.
yeah. This also I I have found this.
Yeah, you can open an issue for it,
Yeah,
uh,
and
or we can just consolidate this
okay,
page.
and for the pinning models, it's related to a direct link, which we need to hyperlink for this. And
Yeah,
also this also want to related, as this is the main document related to the pinning the models in the doc
mhm.
here. And also here, if we click the features, it's not going to features and all. It's rendering the get started, but the main page is rendering it correctly. If we press integrated, it leads to get started on, but it want to assign in here.
Yeah, thanks for highlighting these couple of issues.
Can I raise this for the issue
Yeah,
for this one?
definitely. Yeah,
Sure, thank
that's
you.
the right candidacy.
Okay, that's about me. Thank you.
And also, if you can help review another PR related to docs for improving the auto suggestion.
Yeah,
I think
sure.
someone was working on it. So yeah, that would.
Can you tag me that PR?
I think it's the Saurav is working on it. 19216. This is the one. Can share you the link.
Yeah, sure. I go through about it. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Struggle. Thanks, Ronak. Uh, Next is your only, Ronak.
Yeah. So I think Pragalva is not around, so I'll make that into the PR. So the context for this issue is in the layer 5 docs, what we have currently. We have so many top level fields and it's hard to navigate the sidebar uh, for the cloud documentation, for example. So it has so many fields like this concepts, identity, security. Whereas when we go to the mystery docs, it only has 6 of the top level fields. So the less the number of fields we have and the more we can consolidate into these things. So that is really helpful for the user and provides a good user experience as well. So the pull request restructures the sidebar and it consolidates the top level items to 6 sections: Academy, concepts, getting started, tutorials, and reference. So I can directly demo the preview. So if we compare it with the real documentation. So for example, identity, security, catalog, spaces, these all are of the basic high level concepts that we are talking about. So this has been merged into concepts. So identity and security catalog spaces have been consolidated over there. And academy still remains a top level section. Reference still remains a top level section. And there's a new section that I have created that is guides and tutorials. So for example, we previously only just had a tutorial section and different guides, for example, in identity, and there's a organization management guide. So different guides are scattered around in different sections. So this has been all just pulled over to a single section under guides and tutorials, and workspaces has its own set of guides similar to organization. And there's another subsection added in guides and tutorials, that is integrations. And under that, we have the Canvas snapshot GitHub action. And previously, it was just a, I think, top level section uh, under tutorials. Tutorial, tutorial. Yeah, it was a top level section in the tutorials. So this belongs to now the integrations GitHub Actions. And also all the relevant links have been changed to the canonical paths and updated it to the new references. And the previous old links are added as an aliases in the Hugo front matter so that we don't have any broken links. And if we also resolve to any of these old links, so it will just resolve to the latest ones. So yeah, this was about it. And another section that has been hidden is now the about section. So this was being recently added, that is the narrative research plan. It has like examples and the narrative of how five is uh, talking about five, and where all of the examples that has been used, we mention this five narrative. So this is marked as draft since it is not relevant for the user, most of these things. So yeah, that's all from my side.
Anyone have any thoughts on this? I think it's uh, good to have merged like so.
Mhm.
Yeah, that is good. Like and yeah, I will like see more about this issue after the meeting. So yeah,
Yeah.
that is from my side. Let's move forward with next Bharat.
Right. So this is a fairly simple change. I just removed one space. So what was happening is there is this action in the GitHub config.yaml, and this particular part here, this wasn't valid YAML because of this one space. So that caused a difference of indentation, and uh, I guess that's why this first PR merge comment never ever got executed. I personally never saw this comment on like any first timers PR merges. So I guess this is the reason why. Um, so I also like took a look at uh, the config.yaml in another repository here. So this issue is for docs.layer5.io, and I took a look at the config.yaml for layer 5's websites code, and uh, the same issues here as well. So I guess like this file got copied over to this one as well, this repo as well. I think this might be an issue in like a lot more repositories as well.
Did you check with the Mishri? Like we have a same thing in a Mishri and it is working there.
Oh, okay, sure. Let me just. Anyways, in docs.layer5.io, this one is definitely a syntax error. It doesn't like like it raises an error if you try to parse it to a YAML parser. Okay, let me just check the Missouri one. Yeah, so yeah, this one is valid YAML. Everything is in the same indentation.
Okay. So like it is working properly in the docs and other repo, it is not because of indentation.
Yeah, that seems to be the issue.
Okay. Uh, let's go let's go with the first PR. Like if it work in this, then we will like go for the another layer 5.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I think this is the root cause here. Um, can you, if you check in our Slack, we have Mesh3-CI channel in our Slack, and currently we are making work to consolidate all our workflows and GitHub action, because here we have 3 repositories doing the same action, but here we will have to fix in many repositories, and we are trying to have perhaps one repo for all our actions. So what is your name in Slack? I will ping you and just add you in the thread that we are doing that currently.
Sure. I'll do that.
So you can just share those file, and we will see how we can put that in our work that we are trying to do. So mesh VCI, and just ping me here. I don't recall my name. Mavrin, I think. Yes, Mavrin. Yeah. And yes, okay. Just ping me here, and I will come back to you. Thank
Sure.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bharat. Thank you, Matthew. Um, I think we have covered all the. No, we have Utkarsh remaining. Utkarsh, are you on the meet?
Yes. Uh, Let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes, you can go ahead.
So actually, this was the issue, like to create the shared and layout folders so that we can move the primitives there. So like there were the primitives scattered across these general folders and the top level component folder. So what I did, I just took help from this restructure plan that was provided, and created a shared folder, and previously it was under the general folder, so I shifted it, moved it under the shared folder. And similarly, what I did, I just moved these files under the header folder. And yeah, basically what was mentioned here, I implemented that. And but I have, like, I have in this, I have left some of the parts, like the data table. So it mentions that it needs some one canonical model, and some implementation that was like not the single files, there were multiple files. So I thought that this would be covered in some different PR. So just my focus was to just the relocation part. So I left some of the folders, and I was going, like uh, just seeing what I did. So I just left this empty state folder. Like it is situated under the, let me show you. It is situated under the components folder. So I left this. It needs to be under the shared folder, I guess.
So you will shift this empty state into that share one in this PR, or another PR you are thinking to like raising to people.
I think there are some, like I have not explored each and every folder. just like this is a dashboard folder and it also contains some model. So I'm not sure whether it should logically belong to the shared folder or not. So I think like how would I know that it should belong to the shared folder or not?
Like in the issue, if it is written like in the on the issue, it is properly written that which file you should move to it. If it is not written about the empty state file, then you should don't.
Uh, it's written that it should have a empty state folder and one canonical empty state with variants. But I have searched through the code base, so I found only one empty state file. So that's why I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And yeah, similarly for the page header and data table, I was not able to find any like it is mentioned that inline header. So I think this would be covered in some different PR because it is different from relocation.
Yeah, Utkarsh, if you can make sure that all of the tests are passing and the UI is building correctly, because I'm seeing some of the syntax errors, or maybe that is just your ID
Where?
when you were demonstrating the your Visual Studio code. So there was some, yeah, this one.
Like I haven't done anything. It was like when I was in my master branch, so it was already there. I think it's because of some linting issues, I guess. But all test cases are passed, but only two test cases like they are failed. And I also tested like when I was in my master branch, so I checked it manually and when I was importing a model, so it showed some form error. So I think this error is completely separate from like from my PR, I guess, because I haven't touched anything, and the imports are all okay. It's just like if you can check, like if it shows test errors in your side as well.
Uh, yeah, you are correct. It is on the master branch, and many of files having a same this error. That's a red error. Uh, I think we can ignore this like in the system when I was working, and that also it was it having a error, and it was passing all the test case. Then I think we can ignore this error for now.
Rest of the test cases are passed. Only uh, these two were failing.
Okay. We will I don't have a proper context for this to file. Uh, after this meeting, I will like review this PR and will surely like drop some comment on that.
Okay, and I will like work according like what you will mention. I will work on that.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Did you send this issue in Meshly UI Slack channel as well, so other people can take a look on that?
Okay.
Because or also this could be present in our dev meeting when Wednesday. They will have more people from UI that will be there, that will be present for that.
Okay. I will share it on the Slack Meshri UI
Thank you.
channel.
Yes, thank you.
Thanks, Utkarsh. Thanks, Matthew. Uh, we are on the time, but yeah, we have last. Okay, we have two more we can, I think, cover in the next meeting, I guess. Utkarsh and Chaitanya, or you can create a video of your PR and drop on the discussion forum if you want. If you want to explain some about your PR, it should be a short video only, not a long term. Yeah. And for the newcomers, we have a good first issue. You can check this. Uh, if you want to start new if you want to contribute in the mystery, you can so look into these issues, like there's a label help wanted, or there's a label as good first issue also. You can search for that as well. uh I think we have nothing right now, so yeah. uh Thank you everyone for joining this meeting. Uh, it was a great discussion. We have a lot of PRs today. It was good. Thank you everyone. Have a good weekend ahead. Bye everyone.